Hey everybody, this is Jeff over at SalesPype, and if you've been inside our system recently, you've seen this little thing here that says find new leads on the sidebar, and you might be kind of curious, what's that all about? So today I'm going to reveal this feature to you and just kind of walk you through how you can use this inside your business. So if you've ever heard of the term geo-farming or geographic farming, that's essentially what this tool can be used for. And geo-farming is a way to dominate your local market or pinpoint the exact people that you want to work with in the exact neighborhoods, in the exact part of town. It really just lets you hone in on who your ideal client is and then target your marketing towards them. So the best way to explain this is really just to show it to you in action. So let's go ahead and do this. Now, so what's going to happen as soon as you click Find New Leads, we're going to take you to this Google map here. And now from here, I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can move all around and see the different neighborhoods below. Now, let's go through some examples here. Let me zoom in. Let's just say this house right here with a pool. That's my new client, and they're the perfect client. They make a lot of money. They were easy to work with. Just a great neighborhood, and so maybe I want to now target their neighbors. So let's go ahead and see how I would do this. What I would do is I'm going to select preview data here. And I'm going to take one of my drawing tools here. I can do a circle, a square, or this freehand tool, and I can create any kind of diagram or design that I like. Well, let's just go ahead and grab the square here. And I'm going to go after these homes. So now what our system is doing is we're going out and we're finding data on these people. And I'm going to pin these homes. So you see we put a little bullseye on each home. And now watch this. I can hover over this home and I can see Arvin lives here. This is Eva's house. This is Clyde's house. This is Sheena's house. Now we don't stop there. Let's say I want to find some more information on this person. I'm going to click it. And now I can see their name, their phone number, their email address, home address. They lived there 15 years. I can see their income. I can see that they own this home. They're not a renter. Square feet of the home. I can see her occupation, the name of the subdivision. I uncovered the fact that they own a boat. The home last sold for $266,000. They have an 800 plus credit score. Married. It just goes on and on. We're finding all kinds of data points on this individual. And now that's great. Data's fantastic. And quite honestly, this costs us a fortune to make work. But now you can take this data and you can use it to actually contact this individual or market towards them. So from here, I could say, if I want to market towards Sheena, I could actually add her to a drip marketing campaign. So now I could add Sheena to a campaign that includes texting, emails, ringless voicemails, even now direct mail. So just imagine the power of that. This is just one individual, but I could target this entire neighborhood and add them all to a drip marketing sequence where they're getting something from me once a week, once a month, once every 3 months. And over time, what happens is you become that go-to person or that recognized individual in your industry for that neighborhood. So that's one route. Now, the other way you can do this is you don't have to put a little pin on the homes. You can actually create a marketing list for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. And I'm not going to check preview data this time. I'm just simply going to find an area that I'm interested in. This neighborhood here looks good. And I'm just going to grab my drawing tool once again. And let's just say, let's go after these homes. So we found 18 leads there. And we got all their information. And now I can choose one of three options here. I could send a message to all these people. I could add them directly to a drip marketing campaign, or I could create a marketing list. So in this scenario, I'll just go ahead and create a list. And now behind the scenes, we're compiling all that data, and we're going to turn it into a list that you can actually now work from. Whether you wanted to manually reach out to these people or add them as a contact in your CRM. Bottom line is you create a list and use it for whatever you like, but we're going to bring back all those data points for you. Let me refresh this, see if we had a chance to process it. We did, so let's open it up. And now you see I got all the data on these people, and I can actually start filtering that data. So I could say, just show me people with a phone number, or just an email, or a number and an email. Just show me males or females. Just show me people that own a home versus renting. So the power of this data is incredible, and the fact that we pair it with all of our ways to communicate with people just makes this feature, quite honestly, a game changer. I haven't seen anything like that out there. And like I said, we subscribe to this data for you, and it's just included in your membership. If you were to go out and try and buy this data on your own, you'd be spending thousands and thousands of dollars a month. So definitely take advantage of this tool. And if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Depending on your niche, there's different ways that you can use it, and we're happy to share ideas and best practices with you. Take care.